chunk the stick. I always do.
Chucked it?
So what's he pulling up?
Holy shit! A muffler.
Remember we got part of one last time.
Tailpipe.
Fucking exhaust system.
No, that is a satellite dish.
What?
That's a satellite dish thing.
Huh?
Yeah,
What?
it is. Bet your money.
Why do you say it?
Because I see the bracket. See that bracket?
Yeah.
It's part. It holds up some sort of satellite dish or something. It's not no muffler.
I think it's the bottom of the bench.
No, he's not.
Yeah, it is. You were right.
Oh!
It's the bottom of. Oh!
So you know what that means?
There's
3 more out there. Go get it.
No, I think one more out there.
3. There's 2 benches, 4 pieces.
No, that's like a tabletop bench.
No, there's going to be 3 more out there. Trust me.
No, that is like a picnic table.
Yeah, and how many are you going to have holding it up? You're going to have 2 on each side.
1 on each side.
No, 2. You got to. It's not going to teeter totter. It's going to have 2 on each end.
No, 1 on each end, because that is the bottom.
Trust me, I know things.
He talks to people too.
Hey, shut the fuck up. Where's your magnet there, Turbo?
Whose?
Her.
It's in the water.
Okay.
What?
Where's
We're
yours?
trying to clear out the spot.
Well, you were taking too long.
This is like brother and sister. Oh, you got a thingy.
You little
Oh, we
Oh,
keep
shit,
those.
shiny.
Unless you do.
You go ahead.
Oh, look how shiny. Ashley got a shiny. What'd you
Do
get?
you like this weight?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'll take that song.
Let me put it in. I'll put it in your bucket.
What did you get? She's like, no, no, no.
He got you wet. Not in a good way.
Yep. It's a good thing androids are waterproof.
We'll change her to the eye
That's
gold.
all they're proof.
Will not join your eye cult.
You will.
Wait, gotta use the cheat that works. I got new stickers though. I got Snorkel on here, and I got Johnny from Alaskans on the Fly. I got my Kratos. Whoop, that tickles. And then I added Coastal Casey, Ohio River History, and then I got a couple more at home. Some bubbles.
You got bubbles?
Bubbles.
You got a stick. I saw some stick.
I got a hammer.
You got
Yeah,
what?
that's a good one.
Ooh,
You got hammered.
this is the hammer of Thor.
That's a fucking good hammer, man.
Hold on, let me get it. Let me get it.
Put some bitch off there, 'cause I'm gonna steal that
I gotta
hammer.
use the good leg.
What if she wants it? Well, you did just save her Barbarian, didn't you? Okay.
Okay, I can get it.
Thank you.
It's too slimy.
Hammer.
That's a fucking,
Hammer time.
That's a 3-pound sledge, man. You can fuck some shit up with that.
Yeah, my Barbarian. And I got just a
Dude,
little.
that's a good hammer. That's like a $12 hammer right there.
$12 make you holla. Whoop, whoop.
Where'd you catch that at? Show me where you caught that hammer.
No.
No, I want to show you where'd you catch the hammer? Right
No.
out here?
Yes.
Okay, get your ass back in there.
Because why? Why?
Because I cleaned it off and now you gotta do secondary sneak attack. I got all them twigs and shit out of there for a reason.
Okay. Oh, breeze. Oh, it's a nice day today.
You should do well at making money and holding on to it in bed.
What's up here? Hey.
That's a strong
I shall be forever broke.
charge by the game.
I'd rather be broke and happy than rich and miserable.
True.
So I don't think I got your other leg on video because I had it turned off. He got the other leg.
She's right there.
Guess what? It's
That's good food.
Is it special?
craft medium. No?
What's this wrong?
What?
It says
I don't have
time
fries yet.
is wealth, especially with your lawyer in
In
bed.
bed.
Yeah.
What does your lawyer look like? Is it a dude? Is it like Jake from State Farm?
No, that's not Jake from State Farm.
I think.
Big Daddy, look at
What is that?
That's me catching shit
That's
today.
shopping cart.
Oh,
Oh, got a fishing lure.
So that you can use this one and I'll use that one.
Got a little The rat trap.
Oh, look at that. Also, I got a bonus on this cat. I got a fob, too. And a shopping cart part. Fob and shopping cart part.
You got a car fob?
And shopping cart part.
That's a car
Yeah.
key.
I don't think I can pull that one out.
Are you sure? Like, this has got toys for that.
Oh, that just totally came off.
Fruit grab normal. I mean, that's... Oh, daddy! Oh, daddy! Almost take out a finger.
You need to come along?
Who's the bitch now?
God damn it. Fucking magnet will jump on shit.
I got a shoe.
Oh, that continues our...
I'm a shoe in.
We got what, 4 shoes?
I got 4 shoes out one day.
How? It's stuck on this. It's stuck on my magnet.
What is that?
That's a bar clamp.
Oh. Okay, oh yeah.
Hold
Well,
it.
no.
First, let him do it, then you can come over to my house and get the real tools once. Good job, Charlie.
It's a grabby thing!
Oh, the handicap are gonna need that.
It's not working!
Ah. Maybe just needs a little lubrication.
Oh, no. It's
Oh, look at the little wormy thing. Oh, the little wormy guy.
Oh,
Little wormy thing.
that's a real one. Okay, to grab, I got a grabby grab.
The bed is a platform and it's an adjustable base, so the head comes up. So if the head supports.
They're not. Good job, Turbo.
Oh
Uh-oh.
no, not again.
Call me. Look at that whole front.
You got a whole beer bottle.
And it's a Coroni.
Just like I got the Modelo.
There's so much going on in this like, oh, there you go.
Oh, he got it.
Good job.
He's got his own redneck engineering.
What's that song? I want to go fishing, hold my beer.
Hilarious.
Drink it, drink it. Woo!
What's up?
It's Mr. Neon!
He's back!
Hey, sexy, you want to go home with me?
Sure.
Awesome. There's Mr. Neon.
Hi.
She may not have a dick, but she got balls of steel.
If she had any, it'd be Oprah's.
You got the other half of my
Look.
shirt.
Cool. I'm all dirty. I want
He
you-
lost
you got
his-
a clean gray shirt.
He lost his underwear.
Is that a shoey?
Yeah.
You got a shoe as well?
Got the other part of my shoe.
Oh, shit.
That's a part of a shoe that goes on a bicycle, like
Yep.
you clip
Oh, the clippy clippy.
Oil-filled jar back.
it. No.
No.
right
It's
over
still
here.
right here.
Why?
We don't know what to do with it.
It's
Cause
gonna
like,
be
I
a
don't,
curse if you don't throw it back.
that's what I said. And she
Give me
told
it.
me don't litter.
Give me it.
I want to put it right there in the stick.
No, it'll get broke there.
You gonna chuck it really
I'm
far?
gonna chuck it good.
Okay, this is the big bad voodoo jar.
Ah, voodoo!
We're putting the voodoo back.
Voodoo.
Oh yeah, good job, Carol. Good job.
Woohoo!
That's
What's? Wait. Yeah, it's
Clear. That's going on as a
Oh, we've all done it
you
today.
count.
right. That's going on as a count, right?
Oh yeah.
Something down there.
Look, you got bubbles.
I know. I'm working on it. More part of that shopping cart, bitches.
30 minutes.
You, yo?
Fuck. The fuck?
More the shopping
That's called
cart.
me catching
What's the
shit.
front
That's
of the
what.
cart?
That's called me catching shit. That's what that's called. I went to the doctor.
Look, look.
Another Coroni.
Shut up!
Somebody dropped a 6-pack out here.
I need a video of this.
That's the first time I've got a beer. What, the beer?
Yeah.
No.
Oh. You want it?
Oh, no.
So I sent the first video to Michael. I said,
No,
now
no,
Wiz
no,
got a
no,
beer.
no,
And he
no.
said, now you got to get Heather on the board. So I sent him the video and said, she's on.
Yeah, I'm on.
Giggle gun.
Battery.
Worse than at your house.
Oh, look at that. He's got a kettleball.
Shut up!
Fuck.
Fucking shit.
God damn it, Lee. You're making us look bad.
Oh, dude. Oh,
Watch.
yeah. Watch your hand.
That is a 360 magnet, guys.
You know how far away it is from the sun?
I was in college, but I know you're going to know.
That's a kettleball.
It's a sun day.
Yeah. I'll take that home.
It's 60 degrees across the sky from the sun. That's like whenever you see a rainbow.
Good
The sun
job.
has to be.
What the fuck?
What'd you get?
I got another craft jar.
Oh shit, she got another one.
Oh.
See if you can
Okay.
Oh, that stink. Oh, that smells like curse.
That one, the lids.
Oh.
Oh, look at the lid.
Dude, the word high is like etched inside of it.
All right, I'm going riding more.
Oh.
Are you on the motorcycle?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, get this curse away from me.
Look at the lid.
Word high is
Look
in
at the
it.
lid though, so watch it. It might splash back on you.
What about foods?
Well,
Get that
y'all
curse
tell me.
out of here.
Huh?
Y'all tell me.
Or you got, what do you, I mean, what do you?
Huh?
Time out. Curse first.
Get rid of the curse.
Oh, that stinks.
Where you gonna be?
Oh God, that does stink.
Right?
I think I got splashed with it.
I think there was actually like dead animal in that.
Bye.
Have fun storming the castle.
Me love you long time. You splattered us with voodoo
dead
juice.
animal.
I can't smell anything, so it's all good.
Gross. I want the Rona.
Woo.
I got a yo-yo from American Airlines.
Huh?
You got a yo-yo?
Catfish? What you got? What you said?
You got a yo-yo.
Oh, nice.
American Airlines, take me to Alaska.
What is that? What is that? We got it.
What'd you get?
We got it.
What is it?
What every man should enjoy.
Oh,
Because you deserve.
what every individual should enjoy regularly?
Magnet fishing and bud.
Christmas.
What is that? Is that a phone? That's a phone. Be careful.
Shit, Android.
Fuck you. Let's see it.
You gotta get it for the camera. I need camera.
Fucking Android phone. You don't care about no Android.
He got a phone.
It's a nice
Oh, but it's
little
shattered
LG.
pretty.
It's a pretty pearlescent.
Hang on.
Big
I
shit.
don't know how big, but I think it's
she's
another
got
rod.
big today is her mouth running.
It's another rod.
She got another
I'm
rod.
the queen of the rod. And I got wood.
Okay, let me see your phone since now.
Okay, I caught the phone.
Yeah,
It's just an LG, that's why I chunked it, because it's toast anyway. I mean,
but it's a phone still. We got it.
I predicted today I was going to get a phone.
Here's your weight.
Oh, gracias.
You've got a lot today, you and Lee. Ashley's cleaning up on the rods. And I get body parts and a necklace. Oh, I got real parts.
Fucking fish mask, really?
I think it's magnetic. Oh,
It's got.
Sure, what it is.
I thought you were gonna grab that hammer that I pulled up.
Here.
You got it?
Stand back, right? You might have. Whee!
You want to do what's going on?
Yeah, I think I heard you.
Uh-oh. Get it up on my level first. Maybe.
Oh, look at that. Would you look at it? That's a shopping
You got a
cart.
wheel.
Shopping cart part.
You got a wheel. I've taken these off before.
Good job, Turtle.
There you go.
Thanks.
I don't want to pick it up and mess it up.
I looked over at you and my magnet grabbed the wall again.
Okay.
You're a mess.
When is this guy's gonna get tired of us? Wait, are you already tired of us?
No, it's just hilarious.
We're a bunch of monkeys over here.
Afro circus, Afro circus.
Oh god, I didn't realize.
Watch out, don't let, no, just let it loose, let it loose.
There's
Loose,
people
loose,
walking
loose,
by
loose,
watching
loose,
that.
loose, loose, loose.
That's why I didn't want to let it loose. So it wouldn't do that.
Oh, oh.
Okay.
I'll hold your pole. Oh! That's smart coming out like that.
I'm getting away from your bucket.
That's a plumber. She would have said plumber. She said somebody.
Oh, we got a key.
So instead of seeing her.
Oh,
Oh, I got bottle cap. I got Bud Ice. And I'm guessing Modelo.
but
Yeah, Bud Ice.
oh,
That was a whole lot.
But I was nasty.
oh, nasty worm. Oh, that's not
Oh,
even
those are
blah
fatty.
worthy. What is that? Oh, those are some
When
nuts.
they're short and fat, they're still pretty good.
This one's nasty. This one's nasty, short
That
and
is
fat.
nasty.
And some nuts. Bad nuts.
Oh, I got another squishy growth thing.
Oh, you got a wormy.
Salamander.
Oh, it's a salamander.
What do salamanders do? They don't go blah, blah, blah. They go wang, 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 wang.
Okay.
You don't got no arms. Oh,
Oh, you got another phone.
Fuck yeah.
no way.
I am.
That's your second phone.
Yeah.
Fire
You got another phone. That battery's expanded. Oh, 2 phones, dude.
I'll crack it open.
You on fire.
People don't listen to me.
You're feeling the juju?
I told you this morning I was feeling the fucking juju. Nobody believed me.
Yo, you and I have the same damn magnet too.
Yeah, and what? What's going on?
I don't know what's going on.
You want me to show you how to use that thing?
Yeah, let me see your technique. Toss it.
Chuck that fucker in.
Okay. I don't want to do that. Let's see what you missed over here.
You didn't miss anything. That thing was what, like a DVD?
Yeah.
Bracket.
That's cool. And then he didn't even know
Bracket.
M. Night Shyamalan was.
Oofta. What we got? We got a Corona Familia. And we got a screw. Yeah. Oh, lighter. Whoa.
What kind of jar is that? Pickle?
Salty.
Safety button.
Oh, lighter. Oh, and a socket. Sock it to me, sock it to me, sock it to me, sock it to me. What the hell? Battery. Battery lid. I got the D. Okay, we're rolling.
And
I almost lost my phone.
dirt to dirt.
And my radio.
Ashley got a
Your call cannot
phone.
be completed as
And my
dialed.
phone. And that phone.
Check the number
And
and
one
dial
radio.
again.
Steal my cell phone for.
I'm just opening up, motherfucker.
You don't want me to open yours up. UT Starcom. Starcom, come in, Starcom.
Starcom.
In my radio. Ring, ring. Good luck for with me.
What is that on there? Whoa. Oh, that's a hair pick.
Oh, I got a bell. But like an actual jingle bell.
It only has one little tine. You think that'll do your hair up nice?
For your bangs.
She got a phone after I've been over there, Lee's been over there. Ashley showed us how to do it.
Ooh, is that more weights in a bag? Or
Where is
hooks in a bag? Got an unopened mystery bag.
That's where we like our hookers and bags. Oh, it screws. Okay. Screw
Some
you.
of the water off.
Got anything worth anything? It's garbage.
Just that garbage.
What tonnage plate you using? Magnet. 2,000.
I found the other leg, Soul.
Oh shit, dude.
About 160 to 180.
Cost ya?
Yeah,
The rope and all, or just the
just the magnet. That's the other leg.
another bench? Huh?
You want me to get down there?
No.
Oh, okay. Thank you. He's gonna start charging $5 every time we get our magnets caught to get them unstuck. You don't run into too many people that know about magnet fishing who know like the poundage and everything. That surprised me.
Really watch his videos.
Yeah. You gotta watch?
The glass is gone, but
You gotta watch.
it's still got the little ticker.
Little G-Shock.
Wow.
Yeah.
And then I got another sensor.
Oh, you did?
Little theft sensor.
Show them that. Uh-oh.
You got part
I don't know.
something. Give me a minute. It'll come to me.
She got $5.
You got stuck again.
I conveniently need a water break.
Okay, here's your next assignment now. I'm gonna get your shit unstuck. Find a fucking place to eat.
Oh, there you go. Okay. So this is her sitting before surgery. After surgery, she won't be able to sit like that for a while.
A long while.
So we're taking the trash. Wiz is in the lead.
We had an exciting day at Bachman Lake. Pretty sure this is the last place we fished at before my accident, and now it's the last place we're gonna fish at before surgery. So
Yes.
Makes things kind of interesting. And we wanted to say hi to our friend that works at South Grand Prairie High School. We don't know who you are because Coach didn't get your name. So if you happen to see this video, comment, let us know who you are. We'd like to say hi.
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 So hopefully you enjoyed our video today. As predicted, we killed it.
He killed it.
No,
And
killed it.
Lily and Wiz killed it.
but we had a great day fishing. We pulled in some really great finds. Comment below on the stuff you like, and we want to hear from you.
Don't comment the stuff you don't like. We don't care.
Yeah, we're going to
Thanks
eat.
for watching.
Bye.
Bye.